I've seen so many people make comments and they're like, okay, but my hair's not bone straight. And it's like, it's not a straightener, it's a blow dryer. Also, another thing that a lot of people did not talk about was shipping. They did not really talk about shipping.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Hey you guys, what's up? It's your girl Naima and welcome back to my channel. You guys, I know by looking at the title, y'all probably like, what the hell? But before we move on, you know, I took my wig off. My hair looks a little bit just all over the place. I tried to do my edges quickly before I got on here and it's probably sorted out. I'll probably look crazy. Just, the video is not about me, okay? It's about what's in this box. So, make sure my address is not showing. So you guys, I know you guys could kind of see it. Yes, I got a $400 blow dryer. So I know most of you, or I hope most of you, have probably heard about this dryer, but if you haven't, I will explain all about this, I would say, machine, because it's a pretty big box, you guys. Like, it's a huge box. But yes, this is the Revair dryer. It's a reverse air dryer, you guys. I don't know if you guys seen it on TikTok, wherever, but I'm gonna explain as I open the box what this thing could do. Now, I've wanted this dryer for years. Like, this wasn't like I seen it on TikTok 2 months ago and I was like, I gotta get it. No, I wanted this for years, which is why I feel good about making the investment, because it wasn't just like an impulse decision. Like, I wanted this dryer when it first came out, and I don't know if that could have been like 2018. I wanted this dryer. I was like, ooh, baby, it's expensive. I don't know. And at that time, they weren't really showing a lot of 4C girls with this dryer. I don't know if it's because like a lot of them just didn't have it or whatever. But over the years, so many other women with my hair texture have been buying this dryer. So I was like, oh my God, and I've got to see it. I will say this. There are some videos where I look and it's like, it looks like it's okay. And then some videos where it looks like, oh my God, it did a really good job. In my personal opinion, before I've even tried it, I think it all comes down to your technique and how you use it. And also how well your hair is. Meaning, like, do you take good care of your hair? If your hair is like damaged and stuff like that, I think it makes a big difference with the results of the dryer. But yeah, so before we continue, also, the dryer is $399 on their website, Revair.com, I think it is. But I did not pay $399 when I bought it. So when you go on the website, they do have a discount code. I think it's like 10%, but y'all, the 10% comes in clutch. So I think after taxes or shipment is like $5.99 or something. So it would have came up to like $405. But when I put the discount code, when you first go on the website, it pops up for you to like put your email or something. It came up to like $365. I think that's like exactly how much it was. And then on top of that, I was like, boo, I'm still not paying that much money. It's a lot of money. So I did the Afterpay, the 4 installments. So technically, I only paid $91 for this. So I got 3 more installments. So I paid $91 every 2 weeks, which to me is not so bad. Most people, they get paid every 2 weeks. So it's just kind of like an extra bill, I would say. But I'm going to do the unboxing for you guys. So this is the box. It comes in this big box. I only got the dryer. I didn't get all the accessories and stuff like that. So maybe that was too much money. So I'm going to open this box for you guys. I've had this dryer for like, I want to say 3 days. And I just was like, I'm not opening it until I open it with you guys. Okay? Because we friends. Y'all. And this is a very, like, not professionally set up video. Like, I'm just doing this real quickly for you guys. But on top of the box, it says, get ready. You're going to want to share this at my Revair. I keep saying Revair. So, yeah, we're going to see what's inside. I'm very excited. Y'all have on, like, short shorts. Sorry, I'm going to have to stand up. It's a big box. But, yeah, I'm excited. Okay, so the first thing I see in here, it says buy one, get one free. So they have hair products on their website, if you guys didn't know. They have the Wave Goodbye Cream Gel Hair Primer, the Play It Straight Rich Balm Hair Primer, and the Bright Spot Detangle. Baby, I don't know if I'm going to use this, though. I don't know. Everybody's hair is different, and I mean, I don't know if these products is going to work with my hair, so whatever. And then they give you a all you need to know manual for it. Yes, and how to use it. And I've watched so many reviews, so I'm gonna kind of like explain for what I know. And then a quick start for if you don't want to read the manual, I guess. But yeah, see, I have everybody here trying it. So I need to put this box down because I feel like I can't see y'all. I can't see y'all. And we gotta look at this box. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Y'all, so many people who've done the unboxing, they said the packaging is really nice, and it really is. Like, ugh. I'm gonna take it out. Woo! This thing is huge. Okay, because I only got this, so there's nothing else to show really except for the dryer. So this is the little like dryer part right here, and then this is the tube, and then this is the machine. And it comes in a nice little bag. Revair. Really nice. So, like I said, I was doing reviews. I was watching reviews on it. And, you know, there's just some things that I feel like I can share that would be helpful for you guys to understand, because I was a little bit confused too with certain things. So, it's a cute little bag. Cute. So you just plug it in. It's huge. It is heavy. This is not portable at all, but that's whatever. So from what I've understood, oh my gosh. From what I've understood is that the settings here, I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna have to get a little bit closer. Y'all, this is a machine. This is a machine. But if you guys can see, bring it around. It has 1 to 7 right here, and then that little switch. I thought the 1 to 7 was the heat settings, but it's the suction, like 7 being like you want it to be like really strong. And then there's a button here. This is the on and off button. It's hard doing unboxing with this. You guys can see the on and off button. And then this must be another, what the hell is it? Yeah, I'm just doing unboxing today. I'm not actually trying it out today, but I think it's probably on this. There's another setting for like heat, no heat, low heat, and high heat. And apparently, like, when I tell y'all I really was doing my research, like, I'm reading all the comments under their Instagram to see how they responded to people. So they were saying that even their high heat is much lower than the heat on the settings of the blow dryer anyway. So if you guys have like no idea, like really like understand, like, okay, it's a blow dryer, but why is it so much? Like, what is the purpose? It's a reverse air dryer. So when you put your hair into it, it kind of like sucks out all the water and all of that stuff. Like, not everything, hopefully it doesn't suck out all the moisture, but it dries your hair in less time than a blow dryer. They're saying like half the time. So it's supposed to do a quicker blow dry of your hair, and it's supposed to be healthier because it's not direct heat. Like, I think it's heat inside, but it's like, I can't fully explain it, but basically it's a reverse air dryer. It's like putting a vacuum to your hair. So it's supposed to be a lot healthier for your hair, so you don't have heat damage, and it's supposed to be a lot quicker. So like I said, in my next video, I'm gonna actually try it. I'm gonna do a demo because I feel like that's the real test. Like, the unboxing is just to see it. It's just because I was so excited to show you guys. But yeah, and this is like, so big. I think this is like a little hair tie, and I remember this girl on TikTok was saying like she didn't want to cut this, but she said that the nozzle can detach. So I kind of want to save mine too because that's cute. And then this here, whoa, yeah, okay, there it is. So this contraption is huge. There's like, I guess, to lock it, unlock it, or whatever. And your hair goes in here. And I know people have questions like if they have really long hair, like would it get caught? And apparently the answer is no, your hair does not get caught in there. Although, what the hell? It kind of like, I don't know if you guys can see, but it kind of gets a little bit smaller on the inside. It kind of goes like this. But it's supposed to, I guess the air comes through the top here and it dries it. And then this is the button I was talking about with the heat. So the middle, I'm assuming, is like no heat. The 1 bar is low heat and then the 2 bars high heat. And apparently the no heat just means it's a cooling setting. So if you want like absolutely no heat on your hair, you just use the cooling setting and it'll just be cool air coming out. And I think for people who've had really great results where the hair was like more straight than others, even if it's the same texture of hair, they would say like kind of turn it up to like a higher heat setting, turn the suction up to like 5 or 6 or 7. So I think it all depends on your hair. And I think even though if you have the same hair texture as somebody, just be mindful still at the end of the day your hair is different to theirs. You know, it all depends on how moisturized your hair is. Like, do you have any heat damage? Like even some videos I've seen where like the hair was kind of straight and then at the ends it was kind of like, I don't want to say like brittle, but you know, like it wasn't as straight as the rest of the hair. But it's like, okay, do those people have split ends? You know, so all of that I think you got to take into consideration when you use this. And you guys, it's a blow dryer. It's not a straightener. I've seen so many people make comments and they're like, okay, but my hair's not bone straight. And it's like, it's not a straightener. It's a blow dryer. So it's going to like get your hair straighter to where it was when it was wet. But I don't think the main purpose of this is to straighten your hair, like for it to be completely straight. And all, again, it depends on your hair type. So of course, if you have like type 3 hair, it's going to make your hair probably a little bit more straighter than type 4C, you know? So you have to take into consideration all of that. But I cannot wait to try it. I'm going to wash my hair like in a few days, just so I can try it. I'm excited. I can't wait. But yeah, I would say this, honestly, y'all, this thing is really heavy. It's like heavy, but not heavy that you can't lift it, but it's definitely not something portable. So I would say, you know, just keep it like in your bathroom or your bedroom, wherever you're going to pretty much be. Or if you own a salon, keep it at the salon. But it is not something that I want to be carrying with me all the time. I don't know if they'll ever come out with like a portable, I mean, it is portable, but like a more like handy one that you could travel with. I know in the comments a lot of people have asked like that. I'm like, are you gonna have one that I could travel with? But I think for what it does, it might be a little bit difficult to make a smaller version. But I think for me, for what I needed to do, like I'm good with it staying at home. Like I don't need to be taking it with me. But this is, I don't even know what this button does. But yeah, but this is what it looks like. I would say that the only con as I'm unboxing now is that it might be very cumbersome to use. I know people said it might be a little bit heavy. I'm trying to think, like, I think this is fine, because I feel like when you blow dry your hair, the blow dryer is lighter, but because you're taking a longer time to blow dry your hair, your arms are going to get more tired. Versus this, I feel like if you use a desk, you can just kind of like keep your hands on the desk, use it, and then pull it out. Also, I'm going to mention the video more in the next video that I actually do the demo, but there was one person I did find on YouTube. I cannot remember her name right now. For the life of me, I cannot remember. But she showed how she used it, and to me, that was the best technique. Like, the comments, like, they were going crazy. Revair even commented, they were like, this is literally the best way you're supposed to use it. So just as a quick demo, I mean, I'm not doing it on my hair right now, but I've seen a lot of videos where people will put the hair in, and they kind of go like this. And apparently you're supposed to like hold it there and then go back and forth, because there was a lot of comments about the roots of their hair not fully drying. So I think that's what it is. I think people are just kind of like not keeping it close to the roots as possible. So I don't know, y'all, but I was just very excited to show y'all because I finally got it. Yes, it's $399, so basically $400. There was a point in time where they had a sale and it was $299. They say in the comments, I've seen them respond to people that they do sales here and there, but child, I couldn't wait. I was mad I missed the sale. Went back and I was like, oh my god, like I need to get it. They don't ship, I think, to the UK right now. I don't know if they used to or something, but they're working on shipping like to the UK. So it's definitely available like in America. So definitely get it. I would suggest doing the Afterpay just because also I think they have a 30-day money back guarantee. So I think if like use it for 30 days, you don't love it, you can send it back, get your money back. So I kind of was like, before I give y'all all my money, let me try it first and see. But they have everything in this little booklet. It tells you like based on your hair type, like how long it should probably take. So for me, with my coily hair, it says about 90 seconds. So say 90 seconds. I might even do like 100 seconds, y'all. But we gonna see. And I also saw another TikTok with a girl, she did it and it wasn't completely straight as how she wanted it. So she kind of did it more than once. But I think her section was like kind of big from the beginning. So that's another thing too. I've seen people do this in like 4 sections and I'm like, I think that might be too much hair to put in here. So I would say do smaller sections. It's going to be quicker to dry with smaller sections. Oh my God, someone's calling me. It'll be quicker to dry in smaller sections. You'll get better results that way, I feel like. Like in this picture right here, it looks like she divided her hair up into 6. And she looks like she probably has like type 3 hair. So I think if you're type 4C, like 8 sections might be good to start off with and then see how it does. Also, another thing that a lot of people did not talk about was shipping. They did not really talk about shipping. So I ordered this. Oh my God, y'all, I can't remember what day I ordered it. But literally, I ordered it one day and like at nighttime. The following day, it didn't ship out, but it shipped out the following day after that. So I think I actually ordered this like, I think I ordered it Wednesday night, like late night, like, you know, when you're like, I don't care, I'm just going to spend money. I ordered it like Wednesday night and it shipped out Friday. I got the tracking, it shipped out Friday and I got it on Sunday. Which is crazy because on the website it said if you order today, it might ship out before or on August 20th. And y'all, I'm filming this right now on August 17th. And like I've had this for like a couple days already. So they ship pretty fast. They ship from Ohio. They ship pretty fast. So if you're like close to Ohio, you know, it'll be quicker for you. They actually have like a map on their website that shows you like if you live in certain states, how long it will take to ship. So it was pretty fast. I know they have been backed up with actually making the product, like having the materials because of the pandemic. So that's why before I wanted to actually order it and it was like, it would have taken even longer, like their manufacturer or whatever the case may be. But right now is a good time. Apparently they have everything in order. They're in stock. So I would definitely say if you want to try it, you know, get it. Even if you want to wait till I do the demo, I think it's going to be a good investment. I'm going to see how it works on my hair. But yeah, y'all. And like I said, I paid this with my own money. No, I'm not getting paid. This is not a sponsored video, but I know if they want to sponsor me, I don't know what else they're going to give me. I mean, they could give me the accessories. That'll work. But yeah. And it just, I like this booklet. It has a lot of, I'm just like looking at it as I'm talking to you guys. It just really gives you all the details. And apparently their customer service is really good, like I've seen in the comments. So this is my Revair dryer and I can't wait to use it. Yeah, I know I look crazy, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead, give it a like. Let me know down in the comments if you would spend $400 on a dryer. Like, before me even trying it. Like, what, girl, $400? Not me. Let me know in the comments. If you've tried it, if you have the Revair, if you've tried it, please let me know how you like it, your thoughts on it. I literally was searching for bad reviews, and I really didn't find any. Like, if I found, like, a couple, it was because, like, they just ain't use it right. But for the most part, everyone loves this dryer. But I will catch y'all in the next video when I demonstrate it on my hair. See y'all.